Hello friends, Namaskar, good evening. Welcome you all to another enlightening episode of Revival Sutra Sunday. यहाँ हम बात करते हैं getting your mind, body and spirit all aligned for your self-discovery, spirituality and your holistic well-being. I am your host Sangeeta, an occult healing therapist, a spiritual coach and the founder of Arcade Universe. It's my pleasure to be your guide in this transformational journey. वेलकम यू ऑल वंस अगेन। ऑलमोस्ट हम सभी ने कई बार ये बात सोचा तो है और बड़ों से भी सुना है कई बार, पता नहीं कौन से जन्म का पाप भुगत रहे हैं। कई बार ऐसा लगता है कि एक चीज हमारे साथ बार बार हो रही है जिनका आंसर हमें शायद इस जन्म में नहीं पर कहीं पास्ट लाइफ में है। सो आर यू रेडी टू ओपन द पेजेस ऑफ योर पास्ट लाइफ टुडे? Let's discuss this in more detail with our today's guest of the evening, Ms. Astha Garg. Astha is a chartered accountant turned author turned a spiritual healer, practicing multiple modalities of healing like Kashi records, tarot card reading, Reiki healing, numerology, and many more. Hello, Astha.
Hi, Sangeeta. Thank you so much for having me. It's such an honor to
I'm
be here.
happy to welcome you today here.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So,
The pleasure is all mine.
Yeah, same here. So, Astha, आज हम आपसे जानेंगे all about our past life from the Akashic records. So, start करते हैं। तो पहले बताइए what is Akashic records actually? होता क्या है ये?
That's a very good question, Sangeeta. So, yes, first and foremost, what are Akashic records? Akashic records is like a huge library. It's like a huge library जहाँ पे all my karmas, all your karmas are recorded and kept across all lifetimes accumulated till now. It is like your soul's journey across all lifetimes you've ever lived on earth. So whatever you did, whatever you spoke, whatever you thought, whatever you felt, everything is registered there. It is like a report card of all your...
चिट्टा वहाँ पे record है।
Yes. And that is where we come to know what blockages we are carrying. So that's how vast Akashic records is. It has everything about your life, not just this life, but जितने भी lives आपने अभी तक जिए हैं, उसका सब कुछ है वहाँ, everything.
उसका तो शायद number of lives का पता भी नहीं कितने innumerable lives होगा. So, nice, it's really amazing. So significance क्या है Akashic records का? कैसे पता कर सकते हैं हम इससे?
So see, what happens is when we go for an Akashic records reading, significance, I would say that through Akashic records आप क्या क्या जान सकते हो अपने लाइफ के बारे में. So be it your relationship blocks which you are carrying from your past lives, your financial blocks, your health blocks, then we come to know what is our soul center. हम इस बॉडी में आए हैं, इस लाइफ टाइम में हम इस बॉडी में आए हैं, हमारा सोल सेंटर होता है. Through that soul center, the soul enters the body and exits the body on death. Okay. So you come to know about your soul center. Then your soul color, the color which is going to be really close to your heart in this lifetime. You come to know about your soul team, the people who are going to play a positively prominent role. Oh. Then your soul purpose, कि आप क्यों आए हो धरती पे? क्या हम सिर्फ जॉब करने, फैमिली को लुक आफ्टर करने, क्या हम सिर्फ इस चीज के लिए आए हैं? No.
तो सोल टीम में फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, ये सब लोग इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, मतलब
everybody and see, not just family and friends, there might be people in your life कि आप उनसे randomly एक बार ही मिले, बट उन्होंने वो एक मीटिंग में कुछ बहुत डीप इम्पैक्ट आपके ऊपर छोड़ा. उस एक मीटिंग का लर्निंग आपके साथ लाइफ टाइम रहा. तो वो भी आपके सोल टीम का पार्ट थे, जो उस टाइम जिनके साथ आपका सोल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ये था कि इस एज के इस टाइम में वो आपके लाइफ में आएंगे एंड आपको वो लेसन देके जाएंगे. सो इट इज ऑल रिटन बाय यू योरसेल्फ. हमें पता नहीं होता, बिकॉज हम जब अर्थ लाइफ में आते हैं हमारा वो मेमोरी इरेज कर दिया जाता है, सो दैट वी लिव लाइक ह्यूमंस. Okay, then apart from that, yeah, your the talents and gifts with which you are born in this lifetime, कुछ होगा ना जो मतलब हम सबका यूनिकनेस होता है. सो व्हाट आर योर टैलेंट्स, योर गिफ्ट्स, दोज आर योर सोल गिफ्ट्स, समथिंग व्हिच यू डू एफर्टलेसली, जस्ट स्ट्रेट आउट ऑफ फ्रॉम योर हार्ट. देन लाइक अ शेयर सोल पर्पस, हम सबका सोल पर्पस होता है, तो हमें पता चलता है कि हमारा सोल पर्पस क्या है एंड हाउ मच आर वी वर्किंग ऑन इट. Then there can also be example that in my previous lifetime I took some oath or vow or curse. Suppose there was some curse. I was cursed by somebody. So even that is attached to me, and that this is also something which I'm carrying from one lifetime to another lifetime to another lifetime. Then very very
both negative and positive karma
yeah.
and
Yes,
experiences
yes.
we do carry.
Everything. Like I shared ना कि आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड में सब चीज है. Positive, negative, everything done by you, received by you. And last but not the least, very sensitive thing, if any dark energy or wayward soul is attached to you. So
Oh.
you can even come to know that. There are so many people जिनको लगता है कि उनके ऊपर black magic हुआ है. So through Akashic records, we can also come to know कि yes, is there any such influence around them or not.
Okay.
And like wayward souls, the souls जिनको मोक्ष नहीं मिला, जिनका कोई इल इंटेंशन नहीं है, पर वो wayward soul इसीलिए कहलाते हैं क्योंकि उनको मोक्ष नहीं मिला, वो उस क्रिएटर की व्हाइट लाइट में नहीं जा पाए डेथ के बाद. So they are wavering on earth and they get attached to certain people.
Okay.
Right? जिनका either weak aura होता है या जो healers होते हैं. So if somebody is having that feeling कि मेरे साथ कोई wayward soul attach हो गया, that is something very very true. I know वो कुछ चीजें believable नहीं लगती हैं, but it is true and it happens.
हमें ये बिलीव तो होता है, ऑफ कोर्स वी डू बिलीव, बट बहुत लोगों को नहीं बिलीव होगा ये हम किस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. बट या if believe it or not is up to you, but there's some certain truth which is beyond the realities of which your eyes can perceive or your conscious mind wants to accept or not accept.
Exactly. So when somebody comes to me, these are the 10 things which I can see and tell them. Apart from that, उनके दिल से कुछ भी क्वेश्चन आता है वो पूछ सकते हैं. It's not that कि हमारे पास XYZ चीजें हैं हम यही पूछ सकते हैं. If suppose there are times when people ask what is the message for me from the divine right now. Right now मेरा जो क्वेश्चन है जो है ये है, अब मैं इससे डील कैसे करूं, मैसेज मतलब please get me a message from the divine, how to sail through it, how to move forward. So it can be as simple as that also.
हाँ, मतलब पर्पस क्या है मेरा लाइफ का, व्हाट आई शुड बी डूइंग, मुझे किस रास्ते पे चलना चाहिए, मैं एक्चुअली मैं सही जा रही हूँ नहीं जा रही हूँ, क्या गाइडेंस, गाइडेंस के लिए भी पूछ सकते हैं.
वो एक मैसेज मिल जाता है ना संगीता, तो यू कैन जस्ट वॉक फॉरवर्ड. कभी कभी हम अटक जाते हैं, हमें बस वो एक मैसेज सुनना होता है डिवाइन से, जस्ट टू रीस्टार्ट थिंग्स और जस्ट टू कंटिन्यू थिंग्स फॉर दैट मैटर.
सो एक रीअश्योरेंस भी होता है कि ओके यू आर इन द राइट ट्रैक और you should be going to that track to be on the right way.
Exactly.
To live a right life. Yeah, that's so amazing. Like because it will be amazing to know that if you're getting that kind of guidance, so people can actually transform their life accordingly and make the best of it. So.
Truly.
Tell me now how Akashic is different from past life regression, because past life regression में भी वो थेरेपी होता है कि हम past life में जाके हम जान सकते हैं क्या है नहीं है. So इसका difference क्या है? Why Akashic and why past life?
This is another very good and very important question. Why? Because हम लोगों को लगता है सेम है या अलग है, क्या है. तो yes, दो एक common जो point दोनों में होता है, be it Akashic records और past life regression. The common point is past lives, that you get to see your past lives. Now the procedure. So in Akashic records, the therapist or the person who has the certification, in this case I am the person who is the Akashic records practitioner. So that therapist goes into their clients' past lives, sees their karmas and gets those messages for them. On the other hand, when it comes to past life regression, the therapists take those clients to their past lives. Okay. So they themselves can see, assess, and then bring back their messages on their own. One important point here is that when it comes to past life regression, because उसमें therapist खुद नहीं जा रहे हैं, वो client को लेकर जा रहे हैं. So it is firstly very important to go to a certified therapist only. Secondly, why am I saying that? Because if the person is not experienced or not skilled enough, तो थेरेपिस्ट तो नहीं जा रहे हैं पास्ट लाइफ में, वो क्लाइंट को भेज रहे हैं, एंड क्लाइंट को अगर सही तरह से भेजा नहीं गया या वापस नहीं लाया गया तो दे मे गेट स्टक बिटवीन टाइमलाइन्स. वेरी वेरी प्रिकेरियस सिचुएशन, डेंजरस आल्सो,
वेरी डेंजरस. या एग्जैक्टली, ना इधर का ना उधर का इन दैट सिचुएशन, तो लाइक
एग्जैक्ट. मतलब आप वापस
very
इस
well.
लाइफ टाइम में आ गए हो, बट आप वहां पे भी थोड़ा अटके हुए हो. सो इमेजिन द काइंड ऑफ लाइफ यू वुड स्टार्ट लिविंग.
That will be really difficult. It will be understatement, but
एग्जैक्ट. सो ऑलवेज गो टू सर्टिफाइड स्किल्ड पीपल, जिनको ये स्किल पता है. ठीक है.
definitely,
एक
हाँ, it has to be
हाँ,
some skilled people, has to be experienced and certified people rather
मतलब
who.
हाँ, डोंट जस्ट डू इट. मतलब दिस इज माय मैसेज फॉर द पीपल, डोंट जस्ट डू इट आउट ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी.
Hmm.
Please understand the procedure, assess the procedure, and please build that connect. कई बार क्यूरियोसिटी होता है बट कनेक्ट नहीं बन पाता है, राइट? बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली आपके लाइफ में किसी क्लाइंट की, आप सॉरी, आपके हाथ में किसी क्लाइंट की लाइफ है. इट्स अ बिग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी.
हाँ, so
सो
important वही है, like past life में अगर आप जाते हो तो क्यों जा रहे हो, there should be some reason, otherwise ऐसे टाइम पास के लिए तो किसी को
हाँ,
उसमें
यस
उलझना
यस,
नहीं चाहिए. That's what I
नेवर
would
नेवर,
say. So
नेवर टू बी डन फॉर फन. एग्जैक्टली, वेरी
exactly,
राइटली.
हाँ. So tell me, like, when one should go for this Akashic then to tap into the past life.
ओके ओके. सो या संगीता, बहुत बार ना क्या होता है लाइफ में, हमारी लाइफ हो किसी की भी लाइफ हो, हमारे कुछ पैटर्न्स बन जाते हैं.
Hmm.
रिपीटेड पैटर्न्स होते हैं, and वो पैटर्न्स बहुत पेनफुल होते हैं. देयर आर पीपल हु आर attracting the same kind of toxic relationship again and again, abusive relationship again and again, same kind of toxic people again and again, same kind of financial losses again and again, same kind of career setbacks again and again, same kind of health issue again and again. एंड वो जितना ट्राई कर लेते हैं, वो पैटर्न बार बार उनकी लाइफ में आता रहता है. समझ नहीं पाते. लाइक जस्ट टेक फॉर एन एग्जांपल, इफ सपोज somebody has changed 4 jobs
Hmm.
वेरी वेरी रैंडमली, सो उन चारों जॉब्स में कुछ सेम पैटर्न रहा. तो उनको, एंड दीज पीपल, ऑल दीज पीपल जिनके लाइफ में रिपीटेड पैटर्न चल रहे होते हैं, वो एकदम ढोल बजा के बोल भी सकते हैं कि मैंने, यार मेरे साथ ये चीज बार बार इतना गलत क्यों हो रहा है, मैंने किसी के साथ ऐसा नहीं करा है, एटलीस्ट नॉट इन दिस लाइफ टाइम. So the answer here is that they are carrying some karmas from their previous lifetimes. And because they're carrying those karmas, वो जो कर्मा क्लियर नहीं होगा, डिसॉल्व नहीं होगा, वो बार बार हमारे पीछे आता रहेगा. So no matter how hard they try, or no matter how good they are at their end, कि वो गुड कर्मा ही क्रिएट कर रहे होंगे, बट क्योंकि पास्ट लाइफ से वो कर्मास लेकर आ रहे हैं जिसको वो डिसॉल्व या क्लियर नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो वो बार बार उनके लाइफ में आता जा रहा है, creating a very very painful pattern, like suffering, severe suffering.
Many time in I have seen a lot of people like be it workplace में बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करते पर उनको उसका उस हिसाब से रिवॉर्ड नहीं मिलता, या तो रिलेशनशिप में बहुत ज़्यादा डिवोट करते पर स्टिल दे गेट बिट्रेड और समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो ये भी then there should maybe some connection with the past life in that case.
Yes, definitely, because like I said ना कि they are sure कि उन्होंने कुछ गलत नहीं किया, या वो उतना गलत नहीं कर रहे किसी के साथ जितना उनके साथ हो रहा है. So that उसके answers very rightly they are hidden in their past life. So once you start opening those akashic records, their past lives, you get to see वो क्या कर्मा उन्होंने create करा, या क्या कर्मा उन्होंने choose करा, या क्या उनका belief system बन गया था जो वो हर लाइफ टाइम में लेकर आ रहे.
Yeah,
Right.
that's the important thing is like belief system probably got created, subconscious mind में which being carried, and also like it's like everything is like cause and effect again. यही ultimately past में जो है उसी का हम आज हो रहा है, तो आज जो करेंगे उसी का कल जाएगा. So of course today's problem का solution या तो problem का reason I will say the cause will be in the past जो हमें पहले figure out करना चाहिए. So how do you tap into that past in the record, through the record?
In the akashic records. Okay, so yeah, Sangeeta, what happens is like there are so many courses in the market, and no doubt all the mentors, ये courses ऐसे होते हैं ना जिसमें कोई भी ना, they cannot do it without putting their heart into it. So these are very very noble modalities, I must say, because इसमें किसी और की life impact होती है. Yeah. So till now what I have understood from my mentor is there are 3 methods. ठीक है, Akashic records access करने के 3 methods होते हैं. One is we can ask the angels to help us. So first is angelic prayer. We call upon all the angels. We do the angel prayer and we start accessing your records. Second is there is a pathway prayer. Pathway is the pathway to the Akashic records. So there is an opening prayer and a closing prayer. So I can do that pathway prayer to open your Akashic records. Pehle I'll do the opening prayer. I will open your records. I would seek all your answers. Then once the reading is complete, I would do the closing prayer. Okay, this was the second method. Third method is the creator's method, which is what I practice. So creator is basically कौन creator है जिन्होंने पूरा universe create करा है, like जिन्होंने पूरा ब्रह्मांड बनाया है.
हाँ.
तो creators method में क्या होता है? Again we have a special prayer here through which we take that creator's help. अब आप imagine करो जिन्होंने पूरा universe बनाया है, जिनके control में universe है, हम उनको बोल रहे हैं assist us and open the records and show us how to move forward. Okay,
That's
so
much
this is
very powerful way, like connecting
yes,
with the source thing.
yes, exactly. And there are many people. I'm sure like there are people जो angelic method से करते हैं उनको answers मिलते हैं. There are people जो pathway prayer करते हैं उनको answers मिलते हैं. मैं creators करती हूँ मुझे answers मिलते हैं. Intention pure होना चाहिए. And we have to be seeking. We'll get the answers.
Yeah, it is very much it's a big responsibility to not only helping the person but getting into their past and finding the answer and then sorting their life and helping the other person is a big responsibility, because like I'm sure like those who are actually dealing with very tough situations will only go and check in their past. That is also not easy to know the past, or sometimes it might be very overwhelming. But yeah, still someone is taking the courage to look into the past. There's something very serious issues which has to be taken care with, lot of responsibility, I'm sure, and you are doing a great job, I'm sure.
Thank you so much. And yeah, you have very rightly said it is very intense because in a normal scenario nobody would want to know कि मैंने क्या किया था, है ना? Because there are people जो बड़े आराम से बोल देते हैं यार past life में तो वो तो कर चुकी हूँ ना मैं, अब मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ.
बहुत easily
But
past life.
but जब तक they are not hit by that karma in their present life, they will not seek it. And once they seek it, they will be transparent. They will be accepting towards it. Because संगीता यहाँ पे इतना बड़ा brave step क्या होता है ना? Firstly, to come for a reading. Secondly, जो messages मिलते हैं वो बहुत intense भी हो सकते हैं. कुछ बहुत मतलब बहुत deep negative karma आपने create करा हो सकता है. आप क्या उसको सुन पाओगे? Would you be able to take it in the right way? Accept it that yes, I was also wrong at some point in some life. Or इट माइट नॉट बी कि आपने कुछ क्रिएट करा हो, बट आपके साथ कुछ इतना डीप हुआ किसी लाइफ टाइम में व्हिच क्रिएटेड अ वेरी ह्यूज ट्रॉमा इन योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. अगेन सबकॉन्शियस माइंड से जो हमारा चिपक जाता है वी कैरी इट फ्रॉम वन लाइफ टाइम टू अनदर लाइफ टाइम. सो कभी कभी ना लोगों के लिए वो सुनना कि अच्छा हमारे लाइफ टाइम में एक लाइफ टाइम में ऐसा भी हुआ है हमारे साथ, इतना मतलब इतना सीवियर हुआ है हमारे साथ.
It's very difficult sometimes to accept it, acknowledge it and then accept it कि मैंने कुछ किया है या मेरे साथ कुछ ऐसा गलत हुआ है, which is like at some point maybe very much upsetting and बहुत ही cruel past can come out.
I'll give you some examples towards the end and I'll tell you like how difficult certain readings get. But still people, by God's grace, people have been so accepting. And because they were accepting, they took the responsibility of healing, of clearing those karmas.
Yeah, it is very much, again you have to take the responsibility of your own healing. So you have to acknowledge and accept it first.
Exactly.
Important. Well, of course it is difficult to accept at times, but मतलब आप करना चाहिए, मतलब फिर आप आगे नहीं बढ़ पाओगे otherwise. That's very interesting. So let me ask you now, can anyone actually access the Akashic records, or like special training you need, or some inherent abilities, or some kind of psychic power, or some kind of some extra power you need to do this practice?
Okay. So see, I won't say that somebody has to be psychic, because psychic क्या होता है, intuitions इनका बहुत strong होता है, या जो divine से बहुत connected होते हैं, they are called as psychic, right? When it comes to Akashic records, if you ask me, can anybody access the records? I would say no, because firstly there is a proper procedure. Secondly, even if you follow the procedure, you have to really go deep within to connect with the mind. And one catch here is that people who are very much into meditations, जो बहुत long and deep meditations करते हैं, उनके लिए, because उनका third eye open हो चुका होता है, उनके लिए to converse with the divine gets easy. And उनको पता भी नहीं होता है कि records उनके खुलने शुरू हो जाते हैं, उनको messages मिलने लग जाते हैं. A similar thing happened with me because once like I was giving Reiki healing to one of my client, and that's when I got certain flashes during the healing. Okay, हमारी eyes उसमें closed होती है, पूरा procedure हमारा follow हो रहा होता है. I got certain flashes, certain messages, and when I cross checked the same with the client, they were all true.
Wow.
That's when I came to know कि शायद कुछ और भी deep
और
चीज है जो मुझे आगे जाके करनी होगी. And it so happened few months down the line, Akashic thing came into my life. तो मुझे वो रेलेवेंस समझ में आ गया कि जब से मैं हीलिंग्स कर रही थी, मैं जितना डीप मेडिटेशन में जाती थी, मैं रिकॉर्ड्स खोलने स्टार्ट कर चुकी थी
yeah, I think
थ्रू
meditation helps in at times when we in meditation see the flashes, we actually get the some kind of information. तो of course akashic करेंगे तो उसमें procedure follow करेंगे, you'll get a more deeper knowledge and understanding in more details.
अनदर थिंग इज दैट अब जैसे ठीक है आपने मेडिटेशन किया, आपको कुछ मैसेजेस मिल रहे हैं, लेकिन वो सब स्कैटर्ड होंगे, वो थोड़ा सा ना एब्स्ट्रैक्ट भी हो सकते हैं,
कनेक्ट नहीं बैठेगा उसमें. लाइक
नाउ टू स्टार्ट लिंकिंग द डॉट, वो आपके लाइफ में कैसे फिट हो रहा है, वो जो फ्लैश आया आपके लाइफ में कैसे फिट हो रहा है, या वो फ्लैश आपको क्या मैसेज देने की कोशिश कर रहा है. फॉर दैट इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू हैव अ प्रॉपर सर्टिफिकेशन. Everybody needs to have a mentor who can guide them about these practices. Because खुद से it would be all scattered, वो properly ना एक structure में नहीं आ पाए.
yeah, and this is really very much sensitive issue and very very important thing. So कोई मजाक तो नहीं है इसकी. So one has to follow certain kind of procedure and guidance and has to be a trained one कि ऐसे ही नहीं खोलना चाहिए that way. Again, there might be some other replications of that.
I even know people who did the course, but they took some time to open the records. Why? Because they were not that much into meditation. तो जितना
meditation is the first beginning step, I would say, right?
Yes, definitely. Without meditation, I don't think you can do any of the healing modality. Connect आपका होना चाहिए. Ultimately क्या हो रहा है संगीता? I am like a mediator. I converse with the divine. I converse with the client. So I become the mediator between the client and the mediator. अगर मेरा ही कनेक्शन, ठीक है, मैं सपोज मैं क्लाइंट से तो अच्छे से बात कर पा रही हूँ, बट अगर मेरा डिवाइन के साथ कनेक्शन बन ही नहीं पा रहा है या उतना डीप है ही नहीं, तो मैं कैसे उनके आंसर्स लेकर आ पाऊँ. एंड अगर मुझे कुछ मैसेजेस मिलेंगे भी, मैं उनको सही से इंटरप्रेट नहीं कर पाऊँ.
Yeah, exactly. So how you
sorry, one more thing you asked was about the interpretation thing.
Yeah.
Interpretation is like, see something, when you get into such healings, no, जब आपका intention इतना clear होता है, आपका एकदम genuine heart होता है, so interpretation becomes easy. Why? Because the divine is guiding. आपको कुछ फ्लैश मिलेगा, कुछ मैसेज मिलेगा, आप जब वो क्लाइंट से क्रॉस चेक करोगे, वो somehow उनकी लाइफ में फिट हो जाएगा, हो ही जाएगा, वेरी मैजिकली, वेरी मिस्टिक.
Yeah, so अगर आप उनका प्रॉब्लम जानोगे first, I think then relating the things and connecting the dots will be more easy and right way that way.
Totally.
So now again I would just say in briefly tell us like how you help with Akashic. Like you must have helped many clients, they have got benefits from you. So can you share your stories with us?
Okay, so as in the case studies, you can say like the
so
important with, right? Okay, yeah, definitely. So I have a few examples. I'll go as per aspects. Okay, life में हमारे क्या क्या aspects होते हैं, हमारे health होता है, relationship होता है, finances होता है, उस हिसाब से मैं थोड़ा सा ना I can just share with you. So firstly coming to health. So there was this client who had severe knee pain issues. इतना severe होता था कि वो नीचे बैठ नहीं पाते थे floor पे. He told me to check his Akashic. And I got to see that in some lifetime he was hit by a car.
Oh,
that too hit by a car पीछे से, ठीक है. So both the knees उस पे hit हुआ, but उनके left knee में जब मैंने उनको गिरता हुआ देखा, and जब उनको he was on the floor, he was really crying in pain. I saw him holding his left knee more gravely, and that's when I asked him कि आपके ठीक है दोनों नी पे लगा था, लेकिन आपको क्या लेफ्ट नी में ज्यादा दर्द होता है? कहते हाँ, मेरे को लेफ्ट में ज्यादा पेन है, दोनों में, लेकिन लेफ्ट में ज्यादा होता है. So this was the pain he was carrying from his previous lifetime.
Oh.
Can you see? Can you imagine? It's not just the emotions; we also carry pains from our previous lifetime.
Yeah, that's like energy carrying that way is really
exactly. In fact, birthmarks जो होते हैं ना, they are not birthmarks; they are death wounds. जब rebirth होता है, मतलब उनका natural death नहीं था, तो वो सारे death wounds होते हैं जो birthmarks बन जाते हैं. कि आपका जब रीइंकार्नेशन होगा, you would be born with those death wounds, which would be called birthmarks.
Okay.
They are also quite
Yeah, I
unique.
have birthmark. Like मैं पैदा
Is
हुई
it?
थी birthmark लेके
मतलब one of the person in our classes only, उनको यहाँ पे birthmark था, because in some lifetime she was short,
Oh,
so she had that birthmark.
so पता नहीं पास में जाएंगे तो क्या कहानी निकलेगी.
बहुत कुछ. It's like a mystery सारा unfold होता रहता है.
Yeah, it's like a
Then
Focus mystery.
then secondly emotion. So there was this client जो मुझे बोलती थी कि मेरी लाइफ में कुछ खराब नहीं चल रहा है, but मैं constantly I keep worrying and I worry a lot. So when I checked her records, in some lifetime she was abandoned by her husband, who went somewhere and never returned. Now this lady was handling everything all alone. She had 2 kids, she was managing work, घर का, बच्चों का, everything. तो वो constant worry चलता था उनका कि आज का तो खाना हो गया, कल का कैसे करूँ. So वो लाइफ टाइम वो worry में ही जिया है उन्होंने, and उसी worry में उनका डेथ हो गया. So in the new lifetime, worry was stuck to her subconscious mind.
That's
Okay.
painful. Yeah.
Exactly. Then relationship. Another client, जिनका मैंने जब records खोला, she wanted to know about her relationship blocks. So I could see that in her professional life, she was extremely authoritative and dominating and controlling towards her subordinates. So in her present lifetime, she has got really very authoritative in-laws. Really very, मतलब एक extreme हो जाता है ना जो, उस तरह का. Similarly, another client, उनको भी था कि I want to know about my relationship blocks, and I saw that in some lifetime she had cheated on her partner. In another lifetime, I again saw her that she had commitment issues towards her partner, that they were in a serious relationship, but she didn't want to move forward. She didn't want to take the responsibility of marriage. So in her present lifetime, I just asked her, has there been an element of cheating in your life? She said yes. Then I told her, has there been an element of commitment issues in your life? Again, yes. So this is how you just, those karmas keep following you, right? Thirdly, phobia. Yes. So I had this client who said, I'm a national level swimmer, but when I go into oceans, मुझे बहुत fear होता है, मुझे लगता है मैं डूब जाऊं. A person, national level swimmer, Sangeeta, imagine. And the same person, ocean में जाके लगता है मैं डूब जाऊं. मतलब, see the confusion. The question itself was so confusing for me, but yeah, when I checked her records, what I got to see was that she, in some lifetime, she was traveling on a ship. Okay, ship bolo, cruise bolo, jaise bhi, she was traveling, and samne se another ship or another cruise was coming. So what she saw was, on that other ship, there was a mother and a child. The child fell into the ocean, drowned. Mother was howling कि मेरा बच्चा गिर गया, उसको बचाओ, पानी तो इतना गहरा है. So this female, जो दूसरे ship पे थी, she saw everything from her eyes, which created a deep trauma inside her subconscious mind with respect.
Goosebump with the story.
With respect to oceans.
Oh my God.
That's like in spite of being a national level swimmer, she had that fear of oceans.
That phobia got created, like, yeah, huge trauma. That must be very painful to see such an incident, such an unpleasant incident. और ये हमें बहुत लोगों का होता है, लाइक नो, हाइट से डर लगना कि नीचे देख नहीं सकते हो आप ऊपर से, फिर पानी से डर लगना, लाइक.
And I would say here, phobias are not a coincidence. हर phobia के पीछे कुछ reason होता है, वो भी आपके past life में छुपा हुआ.
सारे आंसर्स पास्ट में जाके खोलना पड़ेगा.
And another thing which I came to know through this experience was कि trauma हमारा सिर्फ हमारे एक खराब experience से नहीं होता. It might be when I see something happening wrong with somebody else, that can also create a trauma in my heart. Right? Okay. The same thing which happened with this girl.
Yeah, okay.
किसी और को डूबते हुए देखा, mother child को देखा, child को गिरते हुए डूबते हुए देखा, mother को howling. So it created a very very deep trauma in her heart.
Oh, okay.
Next, I would say when it came to fear. So another client, she said that she has a severe fear of cockroaches. मतलब
बहुत लोगों का होता है कॉकरोच का fear.
उसका बहुत सीवियर था संगीता. मतलब वो साइड तो दूर की बात है, कोई कॉकरोच बोल देगा तो she used to start मतलब shivering and crying and really,
oh my God,
in the right state. Okay, she told me what is it. So when I looked into her past life, there was this past life whereby she was really mercilessly, she was attacked by flying cockroaches
Oh,
all over her body, and it led to severe rashes. So वो जो now again you can imagine the trauma if she's attacked by so many alarming number of cockroaches
hmm.
attacking her. There are severe rashes on her body. So this was the pain, which this was the fear she was carrying
This
from that.
kind of scene we can imagine in Hollywood movies, I think. So that kind.
Exactly. But for her to keep living, imagine like कभी भी होता है ना, इतना सा इंसेक्ट दिख जाता है, कुछ भी हो जाता है. So ये तो बहुत नॉर्मल बात है कि यार कुछ ना कुछ तो हो, रोडेंट तो घर पे हो ही सकता है.
Hmm.
बट व्हेन शी अंडरस्टूड कि अच्छा ये फियर था, क्योंकि वो कहती थी मुझे हद का होता है, नॉर्मल नहीं है, जैसे जैसे मैं रिएक्ट करती हूँ इट्स नॉट नॉर्मल. सो व्हेन शी केम टू नो द
It's
रीजन
weird,
शी
of
वाज
course, yeah.
कन्विंस्ड अबाउट इट. देन व्हेन इट कम्स टू फाइनेंसेस, बहुत लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं हमारे फाइनेंशियल ब्लॉक क्या है. तो जब उनका पास्ट लाइफ में देखती हूँ, या तो दे बीन इन्वॉल्वड इन सम काइंड ऑफ थेफ्ट देमसेल्व्स और एम्बेजलमेंट उनके जो उनके एंड से हुआ, या दे वर सिंपली वेरी केयरलेस, वेरी इररिस्पॉन्सिबल विद मनी. दे डिडंट वैल्यू मनी. तो उनका मनी एनर्जी या उनका मनी के साथ रिलेशनशिप बहुत वीक था.
Hmm.
एंड दैट poor energy was constantly following them from one lifetime to another lifetime. So is lifetime mein, no matter how hard they were working, they were not earning the amount which they really desired. Why? Because unka relationship was very poor with money. Unka karma was very poor with money.
Hmm.
So then I also had a few cases about black magic, whereby another client, we got to see that her own husband was doing black magic on her,
Oh.
like getting it done from some baba, but the main person was her husband who was getting it done. So we saw him properly sitting in with some baba, and then they were doing all the pujas to ensure she gets destroyed or something. Then another curses. Remember I told you it might be that we are carrying curses from some previous lifetime. कभी कभी हम बोल देते हैं ना जा, मतलब there are so many things ना we say in curse. For example, like I don't want to use that language, but कुत्ते की मौत मरेगा and सात पुष्ट भूखा मरेगा, ये कितना हम मतलब कितना सुना होगा ना, भूखा मरेगा या इस तरह से. सो दीज आर थिंग्स कभी गलती से कभी मजाक में भी नहीं बोलना चाहिए किसी को, बिकॉज यू आर क्रिएटिंग दैट कर्मा. एंड अगर आप कुछ कर्स किसी को दे रहे हो तो आपको भी उतना जीना पड़ेगा वो कर्स होते हुए. तो आप अपने लिए भी वो चीज बना रहे हो, नॉट जस्ट यू आर गिविंग इट टू द अदर पर्सन हु वुड कीप टेकिंग इट अक्रॉस डिफरेंट लाइफ टाइम्स. यू आर क्रिएटिंग इट फॉर योर ओन सेल्फ आल्सो.
You are getting another birth for yourself as well.
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली. एक बर्थ आपने बढ़ा दिया क्योंकि अब आपने ये कर्मा क्रिएट करा, आपको ये भी काइंड ऑफ एक और, बिकॉज यू नीड अ लाइफ टाइम टू क्लियर योर कर्म्स व्हाटएवर यू क्रिएटेड. ठीक है. सो कर्स का एग्जांपल अगर मैं आपको दूं, देयर वाज दिस क्लाइंट हु सेड शी हैड सीवियर रिलेशनशिप इश्यूज. व्हेन आई चेक्ड इनटू हर पास्ट लाइफ, so she was involved with a married man. She had an extramarital affair with a married man, and that married man left his wife for this woman.
Oh.
So that wife was very heartbroken and she cursed her that आज मैं जैसे अकेली रो रही हूँ यहाँ, तू भी ऐसे ही अकेली रोएगी and तुझे कभी शादी का सुख नहीं मिलेगा. This same client in her present lifetime, she was on the verge of getting married twice, but both the times she was heavily betrayed by her partner. Because of which she told me कि मेरा क्या रिलेशनशिप कर्मा है, मैंने तो पूरा दिल से वो रिलेशनशिप को निभाया था, पर मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों. So this was the karma which she had created in her past life. Not just the karma plus curse हो गया उनके केस में. आप देख रहे हो, double the impact. Double the impact. And even
the curse
was
also, whoever has cursed, that person also created karma for themselves as well, and that will be again carrying. तो उनके लिए भी, इसके लिए हमें वो भी कुछ चीजों हम बोलना नहीं चाहिए या तो सोचना नहीं चाहिए, दैट बहुत कॉन्शियसली हमें कुछ भी बोलना या सोचना चाहिए, सो दैट हम अपना कर्मा ना क्रिएट करें फॉर हमारे लिए और फ्यूचर में मुसीबत ना बुलाए.
Because it is very human to feel hurt, to feel angry.
That's all
But in that anger ना, जब वो कर्स आप देने लग जाते हो किसी को, जब ऐसा कुछ बोल देते हो, तो आप समझ लो कि आपने सिर्फ दूसरे इंसान के लिए एक लाइफ टाइम नहीं बढ़ाया, आपको खुद भी अब वो देखने के लिए आपको भी उतना ही
आपको भी खुद भी भुगतना पड़ेगा उसमें.
Exactly. Then the wayward souls, like I shared, no, जिनको मोक्ष नहीं मिला होता. So another, there was this client जो हमेशा बहुत ग्रॉगी रहते थे, कुछ काम सही से नहीं कर पा रहे थे, बहुत ही devastated, emotionally ना very very disturbed.
Hmm.
When I checked their records, I came to know that there were 6 wayward souls attached to them.
Oh.
So it is intense, Sangeeta. It is really very intense. तभी मतलब कोई normally आके नहीं करा सकते. A
Exactly.
person who is
करना भी
heavily
नहीं चाहिए, like हाँ.
distressed, yeah, and they are really seeking those answers कि क्या चल रहा है, क्या हुआ है मेरे साथ, मैंने क्या कर रहा है. वो जब पूरा अंदर एकदम जुनून के जैसे आता है ना, only then one should go for an Akashic Records reading because things can get really very intense.
Very intense.
Too much to hear, too much to bear, too much to accept. But yes, अगर आपने वो accept कर लिया and when you start working on dissolving that karma, then nothing like it. Then you are moving towards moksha, which is
So,
what we all want.
ये तो हम जाने कि what is the cause, हम आकाशिक से जान पाए. Then is there any way that we can change the situation currently? अगर हमें पता है कि हमारे relationship में issues हो रहा है because of whatever past betrayal or cheating we have done in our past life. So but in this life मेरे साथ वो cheating हो रहा है. Now how do I make my relationship better or transform the situation? For example, be it health, be it relationship, money karma, whatever it is. Like, is there any way we can make any changes in our current life?
Very, very, very good question. And yes, definitely. So in an Akashic Records reading, there are two aspects. Firstly, we get the answers कि क्या हुआ था, किस वजह से आप इतना सफर कर रहे हो, आपके लाइफ में पैटर्न क्यों आ रहा है, उसके पीछे का रीजन क्या है. दैट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. सेकेंडली, नाउ एवरीबडी टेल्स मी कि अब ठीक है, पता तो चल गया क्या कर्मा कैरी कर रहे हैं, अब इसको चेंज कैसे करना है, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू कीप सफरिंग. I want to dissolve all of it, clear all of it.
That's
So
the
for
main
that,
aim, yeah, to solve.
in certain cases I get the remedies in the Akashic Records itself by the divine. So उस केस में मैं वो वाला चीज उनको कन्वे कर देती हूँ कि आपको ये मैसेज है तो आपको ये करना है. But apart from that, for every client, I provide a remedy prayer. I provide a 4-step customized remedy prayer which is tailored to their situation. And that 4-step is, firstly, we transmute the entire situation into the creator's white light. जो भी नेगेटिव कर्मा है, पेन है, बिलीफ है, उसको पूरा एक तरह से व्हाइट लाइट से वॉश कर देते हैं, खाली कर देते हैं. Secondly, the negate. We reprogram the structure, the brain structure. So whatever negative beliefs you had, we kind of replace them with the right beliefs. ठीक है? Thirdly, we do advanced Ho'oponopono. And fourthly, we do basic Ho'oponopono. So Ho'oponopono is a very important prayer and it's a very important part of my remedy prayer because बहुत छोटा प्रेयर होता है वो, लेकिन इतना पावरफुल होता है. इट कैन इरेज योर पास्ट मेमोरीज, इट कैन इरेज योर पास्ट प्रोग्रामिंग्स एंड it can help you in dissolving your karmas, not just of this lifetime but across multiple lifetimes.
Wow, that's actually very much needed. Yeah, Ho'oponopono prayers is really powerful and it's very short and simple but very powerful because it's like it teaches us to first acknowledge and accept it, and forgiveness is a major part. So very important that we forgive the person or forgive ourselves or the situation, whatever it is, and then only I think the healing starts from there once you start forgiving. And yeah, then as the prayer induces love energy, which is again powerful energy which can transform anything and everything. So that's
the best part of Ho'oponopono is that it brings you to the vibration of love and gratitude, which is the highest vibrations of the universe. तो उस vibration में आपका manifestation, karma clearing, reprogramming इतना quick हो जाएगा, इतना effortless हो जाएगा that you would really see those shifts, those major shifts happening in your life.
true.
And this is what gives a kind of hope to my clients, क्योंकि उनको होता है ठीक है आपने कर्मा बता दिया, अब हम ठीक कैसे करें, तो वो ठीक करने जब उनको
very important the solution भी देना. प्रॉब्लम तो समझ गए बट सोल्यूशन क्या है. सो सोल्यूशन
important
चीजों को आप अगर बता सके तो ट्रांसफॉर्म चेंज कर सकते हो.
Totally, because first step, important step is to know the problem, and now when we know the problem, second step is कि अब उसका solution चाहिए भाई, अब उसको हमें कैसे clear करना.
Exactly.
That's how the win-win situation.
Exactly.
So yeah, मतलब I make sure I provide my remedy prayer to all the clients. I explain them and the follow-ups also. I've told everybody of them कि कुछ कभी confusion होता है, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, please feel free to reach out to me.
Very
because
yeah.
healing is like a lifelong process. But
Very
once you
true.
start, there can be nothing more beautiful than that.
Yeah, it's a journey. Healing is a journey. That's what I would say. So I was coming to that, like as a practitioner of like Akashic records reading, which is a really phenomenal work. So what is your intention and motive towards your clients remains like? One
Uh,
is the responsibility. I'm very much sure you do take 100% responsibility of that. But apart from that,
See, first and foremost, मतलब मेरा सबसे पहला intention होता है that your soul, whosoever is coming to me, they should get all the answers which their soul is ready for. अगर आप अभी मेरे पास आए हो, मे बी आप 4 मैसेजेस के लिए रेडी हो। आप मेरे पास अगर आप 1 मंथ के बाद आओगे, तब आप मे बी 5 मैसेजेस के लिए रेडी हो। सो आपका सोल बेसिकली, नॉट आपका सोल। सो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट, यू शुड गेट ऑल द मैसेजेस विच योर सोल इज रेडी फॉर। सेकेंडली, लाइक आई शेयर्ड, कि मुझे सिर्फ बताना नहीं है कि आपके क्या कर्मा, क्या पेन्स है। मुझे सिर्फ रीजंस नहीं देना कि आपके साथ अगर पेनफुल पैटर्न चल रहा है वो इस वजह से चल रहा है। मुझे ये भी लोगों को गाइड करना है, हाउ टू क्लियर देम, हाउ टू डिसॉल्व देम।
yeah,
So my that remedy prayer is like a very big thing for me, which is a part of my practice. I cannot do my Akashic records reading without giving them remedies or solutions. राइट, बिकॉज सिर्फ रीजंस नहीं जानना, लोगों को सोल्यूशंस भी चाहिए, मुझे भी चाहिए हो सकता है। अगर मैं कभी अपना कराऊंगी, आई ऑल्सो नीड सोल्यूशंस, आई ऑल्सो वांट टू नो हाउ शुड आई मूव फॉरवर्ड इन लाइफ। ठीक है, मुझे आपने बता दिया कि ये मेरा इस वजह से हो रहा है, अब मैं आगे कैसे बढ़ूं, मैं इसको ठीक
true.
कैसे करूं, मैं इसको क्लियर कैसे करूं, हाउ टू ट्रांसफॉर्म, लाइक यू सेड ना, हाउ टू ट्रांसफॉर्म दैट कर।
Very important. That's, I think people are seeking that solution for they are in the problem. Okay, I know the problem, but अभी उससे निकले के हाँ कैसे? तो that's the important part, and like I think you are doing an amazing job, I'm sure. So कुछ tips or like takeaways if you can share for us.
Surely what I can share is that I can give you all, I can give the viewers 3 reasons for sufferings in your life. ओके, कि अगर आप सफर कर रहे हो, आप उसके पीछे 3 रीजंस हो सकते हैं। फर्स्टली, या तो किसी लाइफ टाइम में यू क्रिएटेड सम नेगेटिव कर्मा व्हिच इज काइंड ऑफ फॉलोइंग यू इन एवरी लाइफ टाइम टिल यू क्लियर इट। सेकेंडली, you might have chosen a karma, a specific karma. Now, why do we choose it? Before every birth, every new birth, we sit with our masters, we sit with our teachers, with our loved ones, and we prepare a soul का blueprint, हमारे soul का blueprint, कि मैं लाइफ जीऊंगी, मैं हर लाइफ में क्या क्या कर्मा के गो थ्रू करूंगी, बिकॉज उस कर्मा के थ्रू आई हैव टू शोकेस माई स्पिरिचुअल एवोल्यूशन। The higher the spiritual evolution, the closer I am towards my moksha. So जरूरी नहीं है कि आपने सारे कर्मास क्रिएट करे, कुछ कर्मा आपने चूज भी करे हो सकते हैं कि मैं इसके गो थ्रू जाऊंगी, इसको ट्रांसफॉर्म करूंगी, एंड उस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में आई वुड स्पिरिचुअली इवॉल्व। ओके, thirdly, belief systems, like I shared no in that example, that the female who was a national level swimmer. Now, in her past lifetime, she didn't create any karma. She didn't choose any karma. But she saw something which created a belief system, which was fear of oceans.
Yeah, some experiences that may cause the trauma and create the belief system.
So, belief systems, emotions. It can be worry, it can be fear, it can be anything for that matter. There are people जिनका किसी lifetime में they were very poor, not in a very affluent family. So, उनका belief system था, I am poor, I don't have money. The same person had a rebirth, born in a very rich family or in a very affluent family, but he might again have a lot of losses, lot of stuck money. Why? Because in his subconscious mind, the belief system is I don't have money. Right? So ये 3 चीजें हैं। अगर जो हमारा सफरिंग के पीछे 3 चीजें हैं, कर्मा क्रिएट करा है, कर्मा चूज करा है, एंड माय पेन्स और बिलीफ सिस्टम्स व्हिच आई एम कैरिंग फ्रॉम माय प्रीवियस लाइफ टाइम्स। So once you know that, then you at least know how to move forward. You get that acceptance, you know what to address now. The problem पता होगा तभी हम solution को address कर पाएंगे.
Yeah,
right?
so how which step you will take and what kind of action you will take. So you can decide that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So
are there any risk or challenge like associated with accessing the records? मतलब there might be some misinterpretation or something, something may go wrong if not done in the right way. So क्या challenge और risk face करना पड़ता है like?
See, जैसे मैंने PLR पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन का शेयर किया था, that you should go to a certified person, because if you are being taken to your past lives, so it can also be the case that you get stuck between timelines, right? But when it comes to Akashic records, you are not being taken to the past lives. The therapist is going. So the therapist has to be firstly very very skilled. The therapist has to ensure that proper procedure is followed. And now see, the risk is on the therapist, क्योंकि मैं अगर किसी और के पास लाइफ में जा रही हूँ तो मुझे खुद को प्रोटेक्टेड रखना है. So
Yeah.
there are proper procedures for protection also, which I have to take care of before accessing anybody's records. And protection, especially in the cases जहाँ पे मुझसे पूछा गया है कि कोई black magic या कोई wayward soul है क्या. We've been strictly told to take those questions only after sunrise and before sunset.
Oh.
So there is a procedure. Protection is required. Also, after every such session, I have to cut the cords with all the clients. Okay, like I said, energies इतनी intense होती हैं. I, as a healer, I keep absorbing everybody's energy. So I have to keep cutting the cords with all of them.
Yeah.
So that ठीक है, यहाँ तक का जो हमारा रोल था वो complete हो गया.
Yeah, very important for any kind of energy work.
Exactly. And divine सी interpretation का तो कभी फिक्र करना ही नहीं चाहिए, मैं बोलूंगी, because when you are doing something like this with a pure heart and when you are really connected with the divine, he would assist you in the interpretation. He would ensure कि जो आपको messages मिले आप वो client के life में fit कर पा रहे हो, उनको आप answer दे पा रहे हो जो उनको सुनने की जरूरत है. Many times I just say certain things and बाद में मैं सोचती हूँ कि मैंने वो क्या सोच के बोला, and मैं समझ जाती हूँ कि मुझे वो डिवाइन ने मुझसे बुलवाया, because सामने the person sitting right in front of me had to hear that. So it would just happen. We just have to surrender, kind of. But yes, proper procedure, proper protection, proper cord cutting, extremely important. And skilled. मतलब don't just start. There are people like अगर curiosity हो रहा है, interest लग रहा है, तो don't just start practicing it. Please take a proper certification, do a proper course where you are taught the entire structure, end to end thing, क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, कब करना है, किस तरह से करना है.
Very, very true, yeah.
Yeah, it's a huge responsibility, right? Because we would be किसी और की जिंदगी kind of हम मतलब एक होता है ना, they come with lot of hope. People are coming with lot of hope. They are heavily distressed.
The huge responsibility on your hands, like, yeah. So yeah, wow, Asta, it's like this discussion is getting really intense and really powerful and full of mysterious knowledge, I'll say. So that's really, really amazing. So you're really doing a very important and phenomenal job. Keep doing your good work. Thank you so much for sharing this deep knowledge with all of us. I'm really immensely grateful to you. Thank you so much for coming into this show today.
Thank you so much, Sangeeta, for inviting me. It was my honor to be here, and it is always my honor to share this knowledge with people. This knowledge is so good. Everybody in the universe should know about certain things. हम एक सेकंड अपनी लाइफ को बना रहे हैं, लोगों को पता नहीं चलता कुछ चीज. एक सेकंड you are creating your future life.
Very true.
So nothing like it. When we get accustomed to certain things, life becomes much more smoother, much more sorted. And we know what do we have to do, how do we have to do it. एक एक्शन पे ना हम we start thinking कि यार ये करूँ ना, ये ऐसे करूँ ना. हमारा जो एक होता है ना कि kind of speaking without thinking or doing without thinking, बस यार कर दिया, मुझे नहीं पता मैंने क्यों किया, वो वाला चीज अपने आप ही खत्म हो जाता है. We become so mindful of things.
We have to be mindful, very rightly said. We have to be mindful. So consciously you should take the steps कि आज हम क्या बोल रहे हैं, क्या सोच रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं. So what we are actually creating. So what cause we are creating today. So
and with every new client, I am evolving. हर client के साथ कुछ नया चीज निकल के आ रहा होता है.
Yeah.
मैं भी उतना सरप्राइज होती हूँ, जितना सरप्राइज वो होते हैं ना, मैं भी उतना सरप्राइज होती हूँ. So I'm really thankful to all those people who come with a lot of trust, who are really accepting to what I tell them. Nobody has gotten offended at any point. They were always very very seeking, because of which मैं भी उनको पूरा दिल से guide कर पाती थी. So you see,
it's very important for someone to accept that with true heart and right way. So yeah, that's amazing. Thank you so much, Asta. So
thank you so much. God bless you. Bless you. Really, thank you so much for this opportunity. I really hope you grow and grow in life. And please
Actually,
create
you should
lot
as
of
well.
value, touch lot of lives, touch lot of souls, do lot of healing, and just एक होता है ना कि let's just transform this entire world with the
Yes.
great energies, the white energies. पूरा वर्ल्ड को ना white light में मेरा बस चले ना, मैं पूरा वर्ल्ड को white light में ना wash कर दूँ.
Yeah, actually, that's what we all are aiming for, right?
Exactly. And whenever I meet a new healer, na, it's like we are so like-minded. जब we all have a common goal, so it makes us feel all the more empowered.
I think that's we have chosen that.
नहीं, उल्टा बोला. We have been chosen by the modalities.
Yeah,
The modalities choose you
true.
because they trust you to really take care of certain people of the society or certain strata of the society.
This
So
really
yes,
feels blessed, and for this getting the opportunity and to help others and heal others' life is really amazing experience, amazing, I would say, like feeling. So it's like divine in itself.
blessed, but yes, big responsibility. Because
Of
not
course.
everybody, lot of energy work is involved, lot of intense work is involved. Now when now when I am into full time healing, I realized कि शायद यार वो 10-12 hours लैपटॉप के सामने काम करना was easy. This is something which is really एक होता है ना, अंदर से हिला देता है.
But
सामने
it is,
वाले
again, like it's a fulfilling one as well.
yeah, but it is so satisfying कि मैंने कुछ value add कर.
Exactly.
अगर 1% भी
Some
कुछ message
value.
दे
If
जिससे
I
उनको
can make a difference in even a single person's life, that is the immense. I'll be immensely grateful to that.
totally. तो क्योंकि वो इतना satisfying होता है तो वो energies इतना पता नहीं चलती. And ठीक है, it's a process, but it's a beautiful process, I must say. So yes, we are blessed to be the chosen ones, but we have a big responsibility, and we must just keep following it.
Let's keep doing our work. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Sangeeta. Thank you so much.
So, friends, whether seeking answers of life's mysteries, understanding karmic patterns, or finding purpose and direction in your life, Akashic Records actually can help you, provide you all the rich storehouse of wisdom that is like you can explore anytime, whenever you need it. It's not just for for any kind of pleasure, but if you really need it, if you're facing some kind of issues repeatedly in your life, so you can actually consider this modality, this therapy, and consult an expert on that. So as we conclude our journey into the Akashic Records, let us carry forward the lessons that we have learned, the insight we have gained, and actually why we need to do the Akashic Records, because we need to understand the cause of whatever issues हम जो face कर रहे हैं उसका cause क्या है. Now the next step is that जैसे आस्था जी ने has already explained so beautifully that you have to change that. So for that, what step you can take so that you can actually make changes in your current life and make the best use of that and create better causes for your future life, if any you're choosing to. So that's how we can actually change our current life and make it better. And in short, we can change our relationship, our relationship with ourselves, with others, and with the entire world around us. So it's an amazing tool, isn't it? और कैसा लगा आज का एपिसोड हमें जरूर बताइएगा. प्लीज डू शो योर लव इन लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर. और आर्किड यूनिवर्स को फॉलो जरूर कीजिए फॉर ऑल द फ्यूचर अपडेट्स. आस्था से कनेक्ट करने के लिए नीचे लिंक दिया गया है कमेंट सेक्शन में. यू मे डीएम हर फॉर ऑल योर क्वेरीज. सो विद दिस नोट आई टेक योर लीव टुडे. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट संडे विद अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग एपिसोड to contribute in your journey. Till then, do take care of yourself. Do watch your action, your words, and your thoughts, what you are creating. And you may visit your Akashic Records to check the causes of the past and bring the changes in your life to transform it to a beautiful one once again. Good night.